Hydrabass Nobile SBC docking station. With a variety of functions under the cool appearance, the front control panel has a volume knob, and for shortcut buttons in the back are multiple expansion ports. There are multiple expansion ports on the back, and an SD and micro SD card reader slot on the side. The host port connects to the laptop. Connect the PD power supply port to charge the laptop normally. Volume knob. Screen lock button. HDMI port connects to the display. Close screen button. Light switch button. Print screen button. It also supports multiple devices: iPhone, iPad, Huawei mobile phone, Xiaomi mobile phone, ROG handheld, Steam Deck, Switch,